Welcome! If you've ever been browsing Facebook on your computer and suddenly something unexpected happens when you press a key on your keyboard, you're not alone. That's because Facebook enables single-character keyboard shortcuts by default, and they can easily trigger actions without you realizing it. In today's quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off these shortcuts on Facebook Web using your PC, especially with the latest update. Let's get started. First, open Facebook in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Now you'll be taken to the main settings page. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see Display and Accessibility, and click on it. Inside this section, look for the keyboard option and click to open it. Here, you'll see a setting called Single Character Shortcuts. These are the shortcuts that allow Facebook to respond when you press individual keys like J, K, or others while browsing. To disable this feature, simply select the Off option under Single Character Shortcuts. That's it. Once you turn it off, Facebook will no longer react to those single key presses, giving you a smoother and less frustrating browsing experience. This is especially useful if you often type while using Facebook or if you've accidentally triggered actions before. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick guides like this to stay in control of your social media settings. Thanks for watching.